What's going on, y'all? It's me, it's your boy, Leah. Yes, that's too. I guess, really. Anyway, y'all, we're here at the beach. Summertime with the family, you know, all the family's here and everything, so we are having a good time. Just want to let y'all know. Love us, appreciate y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smack notification. But check us out, y'all. We vlogging, man. Just want to let y'all know. Yep. Okay.
Where we at? In Ocean City. Ocean City, Maryland.
Yep. We in Ocean City, though.
Oh, look at my hair flowing in the wind.
Okay, I guess. My hair, you know.
I need to take some Beyonce pictures while I'm out here looking like this.
Oh, you Sasha Fierce now?
Yes.
She's Sasha Fierce now.
My hair flowing.
Whoa, my
you
bad.
see it. Y'all see it.
All right, Goku. Super Saiyan, man. Yeah, look at that one. Oh, that's serious.
Here. My arm not tall.
Callie? I can't see it. Callie say cheese. We're gonna put it up.
You put that water down?
Callie, take a picture. Say cheese. What the heck? Yeah, come on. What? Okay, Callie. Right here. I forgot how to do this. Here. You ready?
She trying to tell you.
How's how you feel?
Every time you put me on the spot like that, I'll be lost.
Yeah, that's whatever. Come on, Callie. What you got there, Callie? I still remember when I had a bucket here one time. That thing got blown into the water when I was a kid. At 3 years, 4 or 5 years old. Oh, wow, look at that. I remember that. We studied that thing. Yo, check this out, man. So this thing is alive. Yo, that's crazy. It's got like a tail. The tail like helps turn it over to get out of then to get out and get it from being stuck. It's a sea creature. Yeah.
What is it called?
I don't know. I'm about to Google it real quick.
Get away from
You
this thing.
get away from it? You'd be more afraid of the birds.
What they call the worm thing?
Yeah.
What they call?
I don't know. It's a crap load. There's a bunch of them now.
That's so gross. They just scared to step on freaking sand. I seen a video about those.
Yeah. Carol, you coming? Carol. And she got a big show. Yeah. She gave her. Here you go. Look, water cannon. Oh, she is? She ain't scared no more. Alright, now get back scared. I knew you ain't about to drop, Callie. Come on, Callie, come on. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Come on. We're gonna fall in the water. Yeah. dominating the world.
Go back in the water. Come on, Callie.
Water. Why you going back that way? You don't want to walk sideways? Why walk into it? You don't want to walk this way?
The water's not a lot of water.
No, because you can't hold Callie. You strong enough to hold her from jumping in.
Just a little bit.
If she jump in, ain't like I can't go get her. She's just gonna have a burning nose. There you go. Callie say Lex and Lee. I want to see these boats. Back there. You want to get some jet skis again?
No.
Like that's like my story time with my thing. Almost drowned in the jet ski. You can ride right out there in the Atlantic Ocean.
I'm so scared for that. We got them this way. Listen up.
That's crazy.
Callie want to run out of the water like she mermaid.
You want to run out there, Callie? Hey, look at that bird brother, yo. That bird is tearing that pool up. These shore birds out here, man. It's not that packed though. It's mad chill. Yeah.
You stay out here all day.
I would say it's relaxing. Oh no. Y'all get us some roller coasters. Woo! See that over there? The boardwalk.
Scared. You get on there.
All the roller coasters and stuff.
I get some funnel cakes.
Now you're talking. Joe Fatty.
Funnel cakes and I was gonna drink though. I'm thirsty. I don't know what.
Yeah. Bruh. You gonna have high blood pressure by the time you're done drinking. You ain't be thirsty no more.
But it's natural. It's supposed to reset
This is salt water.
it reset your body.
This is not fresh.
Remember that one movie where they was in salt water to like keep them like balanced or something before they came back alive?
Oh yeah.
You know what we're talking about?
No.
Yes, that movie just came out.
They drunk so you know they drunk what kind of
They
water?
didn't drink it.
Woo! They got all your They got you, Callie. At high tide, low tide.
I don't even remember. I'm gonna remember as soon as it don't matter. Let me see.
All right, you want to do it there?
What there was.
I dare you lay down there on this high tide and let it just ride up your back.
What's the alternative?
Or you gotta drink a mystery drink back at the hotel.
That mystery drink better sit the boardwalk drink.
Oh, they're going down the boat. They said all the boats gotta go in. Talking about after this time you on your own. What kind of mess?
What's scary about that water? Ain't no lifeguard, no nothing.
Nah. Man, it's crazy. It's got 6 minutes to get the second one. This feels like it's shortest than ever, huh? You doing good though. Yeah, ain't doing too much. You just walk around. That's why I say you can walk. Like people watch and stuff instead of just looking at the water come back and forth. Yeah, look at that. How was that, cat? There go a good one. Here it comes. Here, oh, I missed you. Oh, here it comes, Callie. Here it comes. The water. Look. Oh. All right, Callie, we got another one coming. Got some more water. Here it comes. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, it got your feet. It got you. It got your feet, Callie. Uh-oh. We got another one coming. Oh, not close enough.
How is it that this water looks cleaner than Myrtle Beach? Or maybe it's because I'm close. I don't know.
But the Carolinas is the swamps and stuff.
They do look still look dark.
Yeah. Yeah, it's yes, that's what it. Like I remember when Aaron went to.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, Cali. Woo! You okay?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
You okay, Callie? No. What you got to say, Callie? What you got to say?
No.
Say, get that tune out my face.
You wanna go walk?
Anna said they only bought an hour. I done told him. I said, they're gonna charge me that 350, right? She know what she talk. She know she playing, stop playing. They just gonna charge me that 350, right? I said, man, you live out here. So, look how high that went. Look, the water's all the way up there, like over the legs, like over the lower edge. Yeah, but this is why you know hurricanes will mess you up. They do take all this water. Look how deep your feet was.
About attitude. Like, where she from?
I ain't gonna say nothing. Looking in the mirror. All you gotta do is watch the Truth or Drink video. See what the attitude is. You actually was good on that though.
I know, I'm a good child. I'm good at everything.
I don't know. You gotta have a part 2 to see. You gotta have a part 2 on Truth or Drink. New questions. New questions. Same people.
I was attacking the class.
I know y'all. That was. Something's wrong. Okay. I think you're about to go. Hold on. Damn. Shit, got my shorts wet. Packing up. That shit hit my shorts. Time to go. I know, I used to feel the same way. I used to cry too.
I'm gonna let her go. Come on, get off work.
What's going on? They leaving?
No, they're going to put more money in the pocket.
Oh, I thought they said they was leaving.
Till 5. She chilling. Hard.
Who? You're.
And kicking her back. And laughing at me.
How you like your day at the beach, Mior? Good time? That's right. You have fun? Yeah. Callie having fun.
Probably mad she can't get in that water.
She likes it.
She was scared last time we went to the beach.
What you running from? The bird? Go get it.
That's good. We about to get in that swimming pool too, right?
Yeah.
Right up the street.
Oh, yeah.
Somewhere. Yeah. Huh? Callie, don't drop that on your face. Goodness gracious. What's going on? Look at her sliding that down. She's doing it herself. Oh, goodness. I'm sure her throw it over here. As soon as I stop digging, there she goes.
We're trying to dig to the middle of the earth, and she filling it back up.
Yeah, look. We're going to the center of the earth. You gotta dig. Say dig. Look, 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 look.
You're digging the wrong way, Callie. What kind of boat is that? There's wind about to blow my lashes off.
You want to get in? You want to get in?
She's so adventurous.
You can get in.
Oh, look at Kelly.
Look at you.
You want to say in?
She said, I was trying to get her. This beach got empty quick, huh?
All right, check it out. We'll start slow. I almost didn't make it to your show tonight because I was pulled over by a police officer. Can everybody give me a aw? He asked me if I had any weapons in the car. I said, yes, sir. I have 3 razor-sharp machetes. He said, get out of the car. Why do you have these? I said, because I'm a juggler. He said, prove it, juggle. So I started to juggle, and the funniest thing happened. This old man, he came walking up the sidewalk. He stopped, he watched, he looked at me, looked at the police officer, looked back at me, and he said the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life. He said, man, Ocean City sobriety tests keep getting harder and harder. Check it out, I'll do a couple of tricks in the wind. Twirly, twirly. Whoa, I'll keep doing it till everybody claps. I'm a trained, whoa, here it is. It's really windy out here. I'll just keep doing it till everybody cheers. One more time, here we go. I almost lost one. All right, here we go. Behind my back, if you want to see it, say yeah. Yeah. All right, here we go. Behind my back. Just like my last girlfriend, behind my back. I knew something was wrong when we moved from Florida to Maryland and still had the same mailman. Some of these jokes are just for me, I guess. Here we go. Behind my back, one at a time. Watch. Behind my back, one at a time. One at a time, behind my back. You know the messed up part? Nobody's stopping me. No, if you guys want to see real danger, give me a big loud yeah. If you guys want to see sword swallowing, everybody, hooray! All right, Jeanette, are you ready? Open your mouth. Now this kind of blade, not meant for swallowing. Notice the shape. This would kill me. They confiscated my sword swallowing sword at customs. Everybody give me a aw. It's okay, I'm still gonna do it, but not with this. I brought something else to simulate sword swallowing. You're gonna love this. This is a family show. Don't make this into something it's not. You can laugh, the little ones don't get it. If they do, you already failed, and that's not my fault. When you can't see the balloon anymore, guys, no more golf clap. Give me a big football stadium round of applause. Let everybody walking by know we're having fun. Is that a deal? Everybody, hooray! I am going to swallow the balloon. I'm going to do the bonus trick with Jeanette's playing card, and then I'm going to give one lucky kid $5 to help us out with the big finale of the show. The world famous pineapple trick. Everybody, hooray! Balloon, sword swallowing. Kids, look at me, listen up. This is very important. What I'm about to do is very dangerous. Whatever you do, please do not attempt the balloon sword swallow until you get home. It's a joke. Don't try it. I'm a trained professional. I'm an expert. Everybody, hooray! That's why I do my show in a parking lot. Here we go. Balloon, sword swallow. When I say don't try it at home, believe it or not, I'm really talking to the adults. The kids, they get it. Trust me. It's you adults I'm worried about. Here we go. Music, please. guys do for work. In 2 minutes, I'm making the most amazing balloon animal you've ever seen. It's gonna be a Shih Tzu, kids.